All right, I'll meet you in there. I'm gonna vlog a little bit, and then I'll come inside. Hey guys, what's going on? I am live on the streets of Sacramento. What's up? This is 13th and C. Check this out. Okay, so I'm outside. We were outside the North Star Holistic Collective. There's a TV camera right there watching what's going on. Some cats sitting out here and they're eating and stuff like that. And then we've got we got the mean streets here, guys. Hope you're having a good Sunday. I am out just hanging out here. We're at the marijuana spot to get some stuff with the bishop. We did a really fun photo shoot last night, and it's kind of a secret photo shoot. I didn't tell anybody. We kind of threw it together really fast because I have some projects that I don't work on, and I was the subject, and so it was a lot of fun, and we did some really interesting stuff that I've never done before. So you will find, if you check out my IG and Facebook, you're gonna find the photos. Not posting a lot of them right now, we're only posting a few, but we're gonna release them. But if you follow me on IG and you watch my vlog, you get a chance to see like the extra stuff we're doing and the other cool stuff. So working on a Shear Factor mentoring group, which will be super cool, which is like, it's the Shear Factor stuff that I do, like the educational stuff, the stuff that I do for students, and also hairdressers that are needing a boost to their motivation and tips and tricks. And there's some cool stuff out here. And anyway, so normally I'd go on the road and go to salons, mostly. I've been to a few salons, mostly schools, and on the West Coast, and then like Texas and stuff like that. And then we did some workshops, but it kind of hit a point where it was stagnant because it was just, things have to evolve, and I was biting off more than I could chew. I've probably talked about it quite often. Complained about how it almost killed me. So anyway, so what I've decided to do, I had this revelation, hey, let's just do some really simple mentoring groups, absolutely free. We would charge for the workshop, but I'm not going to charge for the mentoring group because I want to get people involved and I really want to help people. That's what's important. So probably January, more to be announced on Facebook, and I'll announce it on Instagram, but probably January, we're gonna do a Shear Factor mentoring group, and that'll be someplace in Sacramento where you can come and meet, maybe at a coffee shop or something. Be cool. Everybody can come, and then I'll bring a special guest. We'll just talk about things, tips and tricks for the beauty industry, and then marketing stuff, and then networking. Be a fun little networking thing. Very, very cheap, very simple. You come, buy yourself a cup of coffee, hang out. That's your investment. You invest a little bit. I mean, you don't have to buy anything, but buy yourself a cup of coffee, and then we'll share some free knowledge, and I think that'll be fun. So that's one of the things that I'm working on. Feel free to steal that idea, because I've had people steal my ideas and use them, and they're like totally fine with stealing them, but it's cool. Actually, I had one guy who it's crazy. One guy in England, no kidding. He stole the Shear Factor idea. Totally stole it, and it's trademarked, by the way. And I've trademarked it, so if you steal it, I'm gonna get you. And he did a Shear Factor UK, and actually kind of talked me and Mac. He was thinking about having us fly out there, and then he just was trying to scam me. It was super weird. Maybe I'll have to tell the story one day. It's a crazy story. So he set me up. He was like, hey, we'll fly you out. We'll take care of things. Got these other great hairdressers. I even had other hairdressers from, I think they were Joico connected, actually reach out to me because he tried to scam them too. It was crazy. It's pretty intricate. So he connected with all these hairdressers, and then he had all these pictures on his social with really good London hairdressers. And I was like, okay, cool, let's do it. And it turned out to be a major scam, and he tried to steal my brand and tried to steal my workshop and use it in the UK. And really crazy, right? So anyway, I almost sent him a cease and desist. I actually started contacting the people at Joico, I think, and because one of their educational people, the Joico people in London, hit me up, like, because the phone, they call you in the middle of the night essentially because it's London. They called me and they're like, hey, you're coming out to London. We're excited. You're going to work with so-and-so. He was scamming them. It was crazy. So he totally, it was just a really crazy story. So I'll have to talk to you about that one day and like kind of explain, you know, exactly like how that went down. But that was super, super crazy. And anyway, so he got exposed, and I almost sent him a cease and desist letter. And I was like, how am I going to deal with this guy in London, right? And because I had actually talked to him, and I had sent him some of my proprietary information. But and then when I tried to get him to sign the contract, that's when I knew something was amiss. And then it was just a scam. And then he tried to do, then he actually used my image. So crazy. Then he used my image and posted stuff that he had, and then he had a date for his own Shear factory in the UK, and saying I was going to be there. It was super crazy. So I learned a valuable lesson, and the lesson is like, just, you know, I guess the lesson is not be too open, because I was kind of open-minded to the guy, and I was kind of like, I don't know, I kind of shared too much with him. You know, we did some Skype calls. He seemed like a really great guy. But also, and it was kind of a big deal to jump that far, you know, kind of take it from California, you know. So I also learned kind of just keep it simple, keep it manageable, because if it gets out of control and there's a legal problem, like, you're involved in that. Like, that takes up your time. So there's no point in spending time on legal stuff unless you really have to go to battle. There's really no point. Anyway, so I'm motivated to tell that story. I think I'll do a video and tell that story. But anyway. So guys, have a happy Monday. I'm sorry, have a happy Sunday, then tomorrow have a happy Monday. Thanks for watching my IG vlogs. They're blowing up. I'm getting more and more people watching them. Thanks for watching my vlog. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I post these vlogs on YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube, thank you. Please subscribe, like this video, and share this video. Not going anywhere, guys. I'm gonna do more and more stuff. Video is a big deal to me right now. I'm not going anywhere. So just, you might as well support me. And then follow me on Twitter. I post everything on Twitter too. I love some Twitter. So I'm gonna go in. We're at outside at a marijuana store. I don't do a lot of the marijuana, but I'm here with the bishop. He's picking some stuff up. It's legal, guys. California makes it legal. Actually, it's very good medicinally. So get some. Anyway, so there's that. Yeah, we're probably gonna watch some football, and then I'm gonna do a demo tonight, a hair demo for YouTube, and then tomorrow's gonna be another busy day. You guys might have the holiday off, so enjoy your holiday. The air's not too bad out here in Sacramento, but man, it's been really bad. I was gonna go to the antique fair this morning, but there's this really cool antique fair they only do once a month, but I had to bail out. It's cool. It's outdoors. It's kind of urban. It's underneath the freeways out here in downtown. It's really cool. But I just totally had to bail out on it. And I just didn't, you know, I woke up early and I was like, I don't want to get out, and it's too much. It's too smoky out here. But actually, it's not too bad right now. It's actually not too bad in downtown. So guys, take care of yourself. I'm going to get inside. Just wanted to connect with you. Just wanted to do the, what's up, baby doll? Baby doll Courtney? Anyway, I'm finishing my vlog right now. We're on the mean streets in downtown Sacramento. Anyway, I was just wrapping up. So guys, I'm gonna stop this, and then it'll do its thing, and then you can watch the whole thing live. You can jump back to the beginning. And thanks for watching. Happy Sunday. Oh yeah, and the last thing I want to say is we posted some new stuff on IG. We did a cool photo shoot yesterday. So go to Bishop Agencies, Bishop Productions. He does all the photography for me. He's really good. He's my brother. He's amazing. And go to his. You'll see some of the pictures on his IG. Then I posted a picture on my IG. So please like that picture. Support it. You guys are amazing. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Have a great Sunday. Going in here.